Pelan-pelan, tarik pelan.
Capek ah.
A few moments.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Ismail Hamzah, PBIA 23291017. Alright, so in this video, I will complete psychology video assessment my lecture Afrianoto MPD. This is slide 1, psychology analysis of the student. Presentation script. In this, the first, good morning everyone. In this presentation, I will explain the psychological analysis of the student based on the result of the observation, questionnaire and interview. This analysis use several physiological theories to understand the student cognitive, social, emotional, and motivation development. And the next, slide 2, presentation script. Based on the observation questionnaire and interview, the student show healthy psychology development. He can be adapt well to the school environment and has positive relationship with both teachers and classmates. The student also has a strong motivation to achieve his future goal of becoming a teacher overall. Their finding indicate that his psychological development is uh, progressive positively. And the next slide 3, Erickson's theory. Identify versus role confusing. According to Erickson, ideal scans are in the state challenge identity versus role confusion. During this text, teenagers begin to discover who they are, recognize their abilities, and think about future. In this case, the student already has a clear goal of become a teacher. He is confident and interesting in interacting with other and actively participants in school activities. This behavior shows that student is developing a positive identity and is successfully completing this stage of physiological development. And this stage of physiological development. And the next, slide 4, biggest theory, formal operational state. Presentation script. According to Jane Paget, adults can enter the formal operational state. At this stage, they are able to think logically, solve problems, and understand abstract ideas. Although the student has difficulty in mathematics, he performs within uh, well in Science and other subjects. He also tries to improve his understanding by asking teachers and classmates for help. This shows that his cognitive development is appropriate for his age, although he still needs academic support in mathematics. And the next, learning motivation. This is in the learning motivation presentation. In the point learning motivation, the student has both intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation becomes from within the student. He wants to continue his education and achieve his dream of become a teacher. And then extrinsic motivation become from outside source, uh, such as for support from his parents, teacher, and school environment. The uh, the the combination of these two type of motivation encourage that student to continue learning and improving his academic performance. And the next, uh, and the next, uh, social and emotional development. In this presentation script, the student has good social and emotional development. He is able to he is able to build positive relationship with classmates and teacher. His represent other communication, quality, and work with his friend. And thought he has experienced disagreement with classmates. Classmate he is solved with faculty with creating long-term problem. This behavior indicate good emotional control, social competence, and problem solving. And the next, the main challenge faced by the student is academic difficulty in mathematics. However, this difficulty is related to the learning, not the psychologies. However, the difficulty is related to learn, not the psychological emotional problem. Therefore, the student needs additional academic guidance, especially in mathematics, will continues to receive comment from teachers and parents. And the last conclusion, dari in conclusion, the student psychological development is healthy and improved for his age. He has positive identity development, good cognitive ability, strong learning motivation, and healthy social and emotional skill. Although he experienced difficulties in mathematics, this challenge can be overcome through continuous support from teachers, parents, and school concludes with proper guidance and encouragement that student has great to exit his dream of become teacher. Alright, thanks for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.